Paris, the city of lights or the city of love? Why not both? I asked local Parisians for their favorite romantic things to do in Paris, and here's what I found out. No wonder Paris is a city of romance when it has so many parks and gardens for the lovers to hide. For a romantic getaway from the busy streets, locals recommend Parc de Chaumont. What used to be a former quarry now is a landscape park overlooking Paris. Because of the rocky formations, it has plenty solitary spots for couples to relax, both on the grass and in the hidden cafes and bars.
To escape the heat of Paris and the touristic places, I love to come here to the Canal Saint-Martin. And because of the trees, you can find shade any time of the day. And if you want to experience the canals in a different way, go to Bassin de la Villette. You can rent a boat and be your own captain, as I am right now.
I think that an essential ingredient for a beautiful date is nice food in the right atmosphere. So when walking around the Le Marais neighborhood, reserve a table for two in Paris' well-kept secret, a Vieux Paris. Located just round the corner from Notre Dame Cathedral, you will recognize this restaurant by the old wine decorating the exterior. Take a seat outside and enjoy the life of a quiet Parisian street. Another sweet spot for romantic strolls are the banks of the River Seine. Join the local crowd that gathers there in the evenings to relax, drink wine and enjoy the sunset. Take a walk past Louvre Museum and Grand Palais along the river connected by the many legendary bridges.
It is said that on this beautiful bridge, Pont Marie, if couples come here, they make a wish and then kiss. One day, their wish will come true. Come here and discover if this is true or not.
One of the most romantic activities you can partake in while in Paris is simply walking the beautiful streets of the City of Lights. And to skip the crowds of the Eiffel Tower, we asked the locals for their favorite spots. To experience this Parisian symbol in an alternative light, head to Rue Saint-Dominique. Sit down at one of the wonderful cafes down by the road to experience Tour Eiffel in a new wonderful light. One more romantic and no less picturesque view of Eiffel Tower can be seen from Rue de Monttessuy. And while you're at it, order chocolate mousse, world-famous cloud-soft French dessert, and share it with your loved one. Hopefully you'll get inspired by this list of local romantic activities in Paris and let us know your special spots in the comments below.